Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhet again and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna help you with the problem regarding Instagram not sending SMS code to login. So if you are not getting any code while you are trying to log in from Instagram, this video is for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. First and foremost, make sure that you have proper internet connection, your internet is stable, and then your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. And then make sure that you have provided correct number while trying to log in. Recheck your number and then again try to log in. Along with that, Instagram always provides you with an option that says reset the login code, so you can request new login code to Instagram in order to log in again. So tap on resend the login code and then try to log in. If it still doesn't help you, make sure that your permission in messages is all allowed. For that, open your settings and then in here tap on app. Once you tap on app, again go to the message app on your device. Once you tap on message, again you have to go to permissions. Once you go to permissions, scroll and look for SMS. Tap on SMS and make sure that it is allowed. And if you haven't allowed this permission, you might not get any SMS from Instagram. So make sure that it is allowed. Check whether you can log into your Instagram or not. If still not, make sure that your SIM card is inserted properly in your device. And the last thing you can try is just change your number and then try to log in your Instagram with a new number, and then you will be able to get a login code. I hope this video will help you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.